Okay, friends, let's take a quick look at our steps to the standard algorithm of division. Now, my little mnemonic device that I like to use to help me remember the steps is, does McDonald's serve cheeseburgers really? So this little mnemonic device, if we remember that, we can remember the first letters of our steps. So the D stands for divide. That is the very first step. The M stands for multiply. Now, obviously, since I am doing this, you should be doing it too. It is part of your assignment. The S stands for subtract. The C stands for check. The B stands for bring down. And the R stands for repeat or remainder. So if we look at our problem here, this is how a lot of division problems are written out. So 244 divided by 4. And then we come over here, this is how we set it up. We put the 4 on the outside and the 244 on the inside. Okay, so if we were going to follow our steps, let me get my draw going. So the very first thing is we would divide. So we look and see, I really should add step 1 is another M, multiples. I always want you to look at this number and write out the multiples. So our multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16. Let's go to 20. Now, we should probably go one more, 24. Okay, so our 4 cannot fit into 2. It's too small. So I'm going to put an X above the 2. Because I do not want to put anything above it, because I can't divide the 2 by 4. It's too small. So let's keep going. Can 4 go into 24? Well, yes, it can. It's in my set of multiples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It can go into 24 6 times. So I'm putting the 6 right above the 4 in 24. So we're going to multiply. 6 times 4 is 24. I put it right underneath my 24. I'm going to subtract it. I know that that is 0. 24 minus 24 is 0. Check. Now, I didn't write it down here, but the C stands for check. The check is my difference that after I subtracted, is my answer smaller than my divisor? Well, 0 is smaller than 4, so I can keep going. Then we're going to bring down. My next digit is the 4. I'm going to bring it down. And then step 5, we repeat. 4 goes into 4 just as if it was a brand new division problem all over again. 4 goes into 4 one time. It's our first multiple. Multiply. 1 times 4 is 4. Put it right underneath. Subtract. I have 0. And bring down. Well, I don't have anything else to bring down. And I know I'm done because I have something above my entire quotient. And I mean above my dividend. So I must be done. So my answer is 244 divided by 4 equals 61.